Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Felix. I'm a YouTube content creator from Indonesia. And today I'll be reacting on Tanah Papua, a paradise for birds. So as I have stated, I'll mix and match my content with like my hobbies, like reacting to music videos, reacting to entertainer, watching like giving you a reaction in manga that I've reacted. Also, maybe I don't know if you like games, maybe I will provide games, but based on the polling that I've put in the community tab, the game percentage is so low, so I don't think I'll be that frequent on uploading games in YouTube React. But I'm so happy that you guys are interested in educational stuffs, like the ones where I post about Indonesia versus Malaysia and Indonesia versus Philippines, and it got like 80 something views, and I'm so happy like educational stuffs like that gets your attention. So I will like also mix these kind of content and also education, not only educational but promotional content, maybe about other countries and especially Indonesia, because one of my main purpose of creating this channel is to promote my country. So this in this video I'll react on Tanah Papua. Tanah Papua, Papua itself is like, what do you call it, island in Indonesia. It contains an amazing natural resources, it contains an amazing scenery, but I myself haven't gone there because like it's far, it needs a lot of cost to go there. But if I have the time, if I have the money, and if I have the strength to go there, I want to go there, because wow, Papua is a great place to go. So if you have the strength, the money and the time, just go there, go to Papua. It's amazing, the nature there, the people, wow, it's so dope. So okay, let's go, let's check, let's react. Tanah Papua, a paradise for birds. So my prediction is it will focus to the birds in Papua. So let's go. Okay, 3 2 1 go. Tanah Papua, a paradise for birds. Oh. Wow, right? So beautiful, right? It's basically nature. Like you'll see an amazing things like a nature. The people that I've mentioned, wow, kids. Now we're in our forest.
Kenapa kita datang seperti ini supaya kalian tahu ke depan kita.
Oh, you know the adult there? Yeah, basically there's a subtitle. He's teaching the kids about what's about this, that we need to take care about the nature and stuff. Okay, I need to. Red bird of paradise. Magnificent bird of paradise. And love the way this channel like put in the subtitles so people around the world can also know and can help to promote Indonesia, because this is so dope, this is so beautiful. Like you see the birds, wow, so beautiful, so colorful. Oh my god, I'm so proud of Indonesia. Western Parotia, greater bird of paradise. Like you can see itself. Wow, this is so, wow, mix and match, black and blue. Wow.
Indonesia's land of Papua, Tanah Papua.
Right.
Consisting of 2 provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world. With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Yeah. Because the people live from there,
Terutama
eat from there.
yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi
The forest giving life to the people.
Sebetulnya di hutan.
Ooh, so clean!
Papua's geography
Oh my
contains a variety of
god!
ecosystems.
Wow, I'm so proud of
mangroves,
my country. Oh my god!
forests,
Wow,
and mountains that
beautiful,
supports
right? The
roughly
scenery
half
is
of
so
Indonesia's
beautiful.
biodiversity. Over
Ooh.
600 species of birds are found in Papua, including the birds of paradise, many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Only in Papua.
Dan menurut saya di Papua, apalagi cendrawasih itu sangat luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik. Nggak bisa dilupakan.
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty has made them a symbol of international renown.
Alright.
Yang burung yang itu boleh orang selalu suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
This is how Papua people speak. Like it's unique. Like ini kenapa dia mau? Just hear them speak.
Global interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism, bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
Yeah.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja, kakatua putih,
Oh, so beautiful.
magnificent yang main di sini, main di tanah.
Wow.
Kita jalan kaki ketemu ini parotia. Oh, ini
Parotia.
tempatnya main parotia.
Good for an alarm clock. The bird Papuan frog mouth. Oh, like an owl. Oh, I myself an Indonesian hasn't visited this. Wow, so cool.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived. The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
Since Papua has so much mineral and natural resources, people are often to get their gold, their natural resources, and it will ruin like the biodiversity. So yeah, what we do today affect the future. If we destroy the forest, yeah, the biodiversity will be bye-bye, and the people, yeah. That's why we need to sustain our natural resources.
Yang kecil bilang jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk.
Oh, right, too. Even the kids understands. Wow. Even the kids understand. Don't cut the trees because the trees are the home for birds. The birds eat from the tree. Like, wow.
Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment
right.
to thrive.
Even the water is so clean.
Yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Sapor Grand itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine
I
environments of the
wish I
Raja
can
Ampat
go
region of
here.
West
Wow,
Papua
wow, wow.
show that development and conservation can go hand in hand.
Oh my god. Proud to be Indonesian. I can only say that.
Local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1, hutan. 2, konservasi. 3,
Tourism.
wisata.
Yang penting kita jaga
Love to
burung
see
baik-baik.
the people
Mereka
here
lihat
are
jawab,
teaching the
langsung
kids
ini mereka kasih,
sustainability,
kita punya kampung.
conservation,
Forests,
tourism. Like,
birds, and the
I really
communities
love
make this
that
region
they
unique and
taught the
irreplaceable.
kids about this, so the kids are not
Hutan di
focusing
Papua
only
harus
to
Masyarakat di
like
Papua itu sudah
that
berubah.
mind that the mind
Jadi
thinking
kehidupan
is
mereka
not
dan
stopping
harta
in the
mereka
adults,
itu
but
adalah
it
hutan.
goes beyond
As the
generations.
lungs of
Wow.
the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If Papua's ecosystems
Are
degraded,
degraded.
the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the world.
Yes.
Arfa jadi berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Arfak.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth,
Wow, so
maintaining
amazing,
the livelihood
beyond
of
amazing.
local communities,
This is what you call
and
a
protecting
gift
globally
from
significant
nature that we
biodiversity
need to
are
sustain, we need to
for Tanah
take
Papua
care of.
and all of humanity.
Oh,
Alam
Wow.
Papua sangat indah.
right. Papuan
Jadi,
nature is so beautiful.
Saya
I ask Papuans
minta
all
kepada
over,
masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari
let's
kita jaga
protect
negeri
our
kita yang
beautiful
indah ini.
country
Sehingga ke depan
so
anak
that
cucu
our
kita
grandchildren
akan menikmati apa yang kita
will
rasakan hari
enjoy
ini.
what we have today. This is
Mari
a powerful
kita
statement. Let's support
mendukung
conservation in
konservasi
Papua. Wow.
yang ada di Papua umumnya.
That is a statement. For me, that statement, conservation, nature conservation, is not only being applied, is not just mustn't be applied for only for Papua, but for people around the world who visits Papua. We need to understand that when we go there, we are having a tourism, we are having fun, but it's not that because we are having fun that we can take whatever we want, we can destroy whatever we want. We need to think about conservation. We cannot just think about what is happening today, but we need to think about beyond that. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years from now, what will our daily life affects the future? What do we do today that will affect the future? Is this thing that we're doing today will bring a positive or negative feedback to the future? That's what we need to think about. And I'm so happy to see the adults are teaching the young generation about how important it is to sustain, to conserve, to protect the environment and their natural resources, their nature. That's important, so that the kids, so that the young generation, so that the millennials, so that the next generation can continue and have that same mindset, have that same way of thinking to protect the future, to conserve for the better, to conserve for the future, to protect the forest from illegal doings, from harming the forest and the nature biodiversity which lives in the forest. So yeah, I'm so happy about this video, totally happy, and I'm so pumped up as myself is an Indonesian and my country has this amazing biodiversity and have this amazing place. Wow, you guys need to visit Papua. It is amazing. Like starting from Raja Ampat, like that's dope already. Papua, it's amazing. If you know Bali, if you know Lombok, which with their amazing beach, you need to check Raja Ampat. You need to check Papua. Wow, it's amazing. So I'm so happy if if this kind of content will be viewed by not just Indonesian people but also people abroad, because this is my purpose, man. Like, this is really my purpose. I want to promote my country, and I'm so happy that I can finally do this, guys. Like, it's a wow, it's a great achievement. Oh my god, to see my country being viewed by people around the world, that I can help just a tiny bit in promoting my country. Wow, that's totally wow. I'm feeling, yeah, I have accomplished something, even though it's just a reaction video. It's just a tiny bit, but at least I have did something for my country. Like, wow. Okay guys, so I think that's it for my reaction. Like, comment, subscribe, share to your relatives, to your to people, to whoever, your friends or other people that haven't known about this, about Papua, about Indonesia. You need to tell them, because this is beyond amazing. So until we meet again in another reaction video of my channel, bye, or in Indonesia we call it dadah.